Wow, thank you so much for sending me these. There is so many different colors. I can't wait to try these out. These are alcohol markers. I'll be linking all their information below the video. I'm going to be working on some paper Easter lilies in time for Easter. And this time I'm going to try using these markers. I will have the tutorial linked below the video, but I'll also walk you through the steps in this video. But this time I will be using the markers. Before I would use watercolor and pastels, but it used to kind of get onto my flowers later unless I seal them. So I'm hoping I can just use these markers. So I'm going to be working on that and get back to you and see how it goes. I loved using the markers yesterday. This is how the flower turned out. And because they have so many different shades of color, the light colors really look like watercolor. And the markers actually don't come off the floral tape, so I'm glad that I was able to use it for the stems inside. Definitely check out the markers. I will be linking them below the video. Today I'll be working on a cake topper order, and I haven't shown you guys this in a really long time, but I used to make a lot of bridal accessories. I used to do a lot of beading. So I will be beading today a lot of pearls and crystals and kind of show you the process behind that.